In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your OneDrive version. This is a quick and easy process that we'll walk through together, ensuring you know exactly which version of OneDrive you're using. Let's get started. First up, we need to open the OneDrive app. Now, you might already have it conveniently pinned to your taskbar for easy access, or it could be tucked away and found using the search function on your desktop or laptop. OneDrive typically comes installed with any Microsoft Office package, and it's also available as a standalone app. Once you've located OneDrive, go ahead and open it. Now, when OneDrive is up and running, direct your attention to the Windows taskbar. You're looking for a small cloud icon, which represents your OneDrive status. If you have difficulty locating this cloud icon, you might need to click on the upward-facing arrow to reveal any hidden icons. Once you've successfully found the OneDrive icon, the next step is to right-click on it. This simple action will open a small menu presenting several options for you to choose from. From this menu, select Settings. This choice will take you to the Microsoft OneDrive Settings window. It's within this window that you have the power to adjust various preferences for how OneDrive behaves on your computer. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on something specific. At the top of this settings window, you'll notice several tabs such as Account, Settings, and Info. You should proceed to click on the About tab. This tab houses various pieces of information about the OneDrive application. Now, this is where we find the information that matters most for today's task, the version number of the OneDrive software installed on your computer. Within the About tab, locate the section labeled Version. Here, OneDrive neatly lists its current version number, along with additional details such as the product and build number. Seeing this sequence of numbers and dots might initially seem like a jumble, but it's essential for understanding exactly which iteration of OneDrive you're using. This becomes particularly valuable if you ever encounter issues, or if you want to ensure that you're operating on the latest version for optimal performance and security measures. While it might appear like a minor detail, keeping your software up to date is always important. Updates often include patches for security vulnerabilities, performance improvements, and occasionally new features that can enhance your overall experience with the application. If you happen to find that your version is out of date, it's a good time to check for updates either through the OneDrive application itself or directly from the official Microsoft website. Understanding how to find your OneDrive version is a straightforward process, but more importantly, knowing how to do this contributes to efficiently maintaining your computer and its applications. Staying informed about the software versions you're using can assist you in diagnosing problems, contacting support, and ensuring you continually benefit from the latest improvements developers have to offer. I hope this guide has been helpful in demonstrating how to check your OneDrive version quickly and easily. This kind of knowledge is part of becoming more proficient with your computer and ensuring you're maximizing the use of your software tools daily. Keep exploring, keep learning, and continue making the most out of your digital tools.